and gentlemen, esteemed guests. Today, I'm honored to discuss a vital component of our global conservation strategy, Ex-situ conservation, particularly as practiced at Taman Botani Putrajaya. This approach is essential for safeguarding our planet's biodiversity, and I believe it deserves our attention and support, especially when we consider the remarkable work of plants. Ex-situ conservation involves preserving plant species outside their natural habitats. Its primary aim is to prevent extinction by providing safe environments where species can thrive, reproduce, and be studied. This is especially important for plants facing threats from habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and other human-induced factors. Taman Botani Putrajaya serves as a beacon of hope for biodiversity, showcasing an impressive array of flora, including many rare and endangered species. This botanical garden plays a vital role in several key areas.
Okay, now let's talk about what makes Taman Botani so special. Taman Botani covers a massive 92 hectares. It is one of the largest botanical gardens in Malaysia, often called the mother of all gardens. Why? Because it is home to over 750 species of plants from different parts of the world, representing a wide range of climates and ecosystems. That's a huge deal for conservation because it means the garden can act as a sanctuary for rare and endangered plants that may be struggling in the wild due to deforestation or climate change. This is exactly what ex-situ conservation is all about, preserving species outside their natural habitats to ensure their survival. One of the key attraction here is the Moroccan Pavilion, which stands out with its beautiful architecture inspired by the rich heritage of Morocco. But that's not all. The garden is thoughtfully divided with 8 theme sections, and each one has its own story and purpose. One of it are the Malaysian Ulam and Medicinal section, where visitors can learn about edible and medicinal plants that have been part of local culture for centuries. Then, there's the Forest Fringe and Aboriginal Medicinal Plants area, which celebrate the traditional knowledge of indigenous communities. You have also got the Edible Fruit Arboretum, where you can see fruit trees from all around the world. And don't forget the Bamboo City, a section dedicated to different species of bamboo. Another standout feature is the Conservatory and Ecological Pond. These areas focus on biodiversity and the role plants play in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They help remind us that plants aren't just decoration, they are the backbone of our environment. They support wildlife, clean the air, and even help regulate temperatures. So, choosing Taman Botani Putrajaya for ex-situ conservation wasn't just a great idea, it's the perfect choice. It's about preserving plant life, educating the public, and supporting sustainability.
Its botanical garden is home to a wide variety of plant species, including some that are critically endangered. Among these, there are several native species that are particularly vulnerable due to habitat loss, deforestation, and other human activities. While there are numerous species facing threats, we will focus on 3 that are not only endangered but also native to this country. These species play a crucial role in their ecosystems, and their conservation is essential to maintaining biodiversity. The first species is Dipterocarpus sublamellus from the Dipterocarpaceae family, locally known as keruing kerut in Sabah and Sarawak. This large emergent tree can reach heights up to 70 meters tall. It is distributed in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore, typically in lowland rainforests. The genus Dipterocarpus produces a moderately hard to hard timber known commercially as kerwe. The major threat to the species is timber harvesting. In peninsular Malaysia, it is threatened by land use change, oil palm, and forest plantations, leading it to be classified as endangered in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Next is Shorea sumatrana. It is known locally as sengkawang or balang sengkawang air. It can be found in Sumatra, Peninsular Thailand, and Peninsular Malaysia. It produces balang timber, a heavy hardwood prized regionally for heavy construction. Shorea sumatrana was previously listed as critically endangered species in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. It's now classified as endangered because of deforestation for agricultural expansion, especially oil palm. It is also at risk due to logging. Lastly, Neobalanocarpus hemi, known as jengal, is a native tree which can grow up to 60 meters tall. It also belongs to the family Dipterocarpaceae. It is native to Southeast Asia, where it grows in lowland and hill dipterocarp forests of Thailand and peninsular Malaysia. The tree is a source of resin and good quality timber which is highly resistant to decay and termites. Sadly, it is an endangered species because of habitat loss and degradation due to logging, agriculture, and other human activity.
Ex-situ conservation is crucial for protecting biodiversity and ensuring the survival of threatened or endangered species. Hence, Putrajaya Botanical Garden hold significant importance for various reasons. To begin with, facilities like botanical gardens, seed banks, and zoos offer opportunities for scientific research on genetics, reproduction, and ecology, which can inform conservation strategies. This garden showcases a wide range of plant species, including native nation flora, contributing to the conservation of biodiversity. It serves as a living repository for plant species, including rare and endangered ones. Moreover, this botanical garden also rescues endangered species by providing a refuge for species that are at risk due to habitat loss, climate change, pollution, or other threats, allowing them to be bred and possibly reintroduced into their natural environments. In addition, ex-situ conservation helps maintain genetic diversity by storing and cultivating species outside their natural habitats, which can be critical when population in the wild decline.
As we have seen, biodiversity is the foundation of life on Earth. In places like Taman Botani Putrajaya, we are reminded of the critical role of ex-situ conservation plays in protecting endangered plant species. By preserving species outside of their natural habitats, we ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty and benefits of nature's diversity. Taman Botani Putrajaya is more than just a garden. It's a living collection safeguarding the delicate balance of our planet's biodiversity. Through education, research, and sustainable practices, Taman Botani is not just preserving plants, it's preserving life itself. Each visit to this botanical garden supports the ongoing efforts to protect our planet's green future. So, the next time you step into a garden, remember, it's more than just a peaceful escape. It's a crucial part of the mission to protect the world's biodiversity, one plant at a time.